Imagine a world where one of the most iconic broadcast networks in the United States, ABC, is forced to shut down due to regulatory pressure. This may seem like a far-fetched scenario, but according to a recent analysis by investment firm Needham, it's a very real possibility. In fact, the firm believes that Disney, the parent company of ABC, would be better off shuttering the network and taking a one-time financial hit rather than trying to sell it off or continue to operate it under the current regulatory environment. But here's where it gets controversial. The firm's recommendation is largely based on the actions of FCC Chair Brendan Carr, who has been putting pressure on ABC and its affiliates to take action against late-night host Jimmy Kimmel over comments he made about the assassination of conservative activist Charlie Kirk. And this is the part most people miss. The FCC's intervention has made owning broadcast licenses too expensive and too volatile for Disney shareholders, according to Needham. The firm wrote in a client note that we ignore the value destroyed in the ABC affiliate network and the public policy value destroyed by losing ABC as an independent voice. Because FCC intervention has made owning broadcast licenses too expensive and too volatile for Disney shareholders. In our view, but what does this mean for the future of ABC and the entertainment industry as a whole? For starters, it's worth noting that ABC brought back Jimmy Kimmel's show on Tuesday, despite some affiliates continuing to preempt it. However, the controversy surrounding Kimmel's comments and the FCC's response has sparked a heated debate about free speech and the role of government in regulating the media. Some argue that the FCC's actions are a clear example of government overreach, while others believe that the Commission has a responsibility to protect the public from offensive or inflammatory content. As Needham noted, the TV survey data suggests that a small percentage of the U.S. population watches ABC, and the average audience age is 58, which is above the key demographic of viewers under 49. This means that the network has little ad revenue tied to it, making it less valuable to Disney. Instead of operating the broadcast network, Disney could stream ABC's content on its Hulu streaming service and its ABC app, which would make it more valuable from an ad revenue standpoint. But is this a viable solution? Or would it simply be a way for Disney to abandon its broadcast network and focus on more lucrative streaming ventures? The answer to this question is not clear-cut, and it's likely that we'll see a heated debate about the future of ABC and the entertainment industry in the coming weeks and months. As Paul Verna, Vice President of Content at bMarketer, noted, I don't envision a scenario where a sale, spin-off, or shutdown of ABC TV happens anytime soon. However, the current controversy surrounding Kimmel's show could prompt Disney CEO Bob Iger to reassess his plans for ABC. So, what do you think? Should Disney shutter ABC, or is there still a place for the network in the modern entertainment landscape? Do you think the FCC's actions are a threat to free speech, or are they a necessary step to protect the public from offensive content? Let us know in the comments. In conclusion, the future of ABC is uncertain, and it's clear that the current regulatory environment is having a significant impact on the network's value and viability. As the debate over the future of ABC continues, one thing is clear. The entertainment industry is changing rapidly, and companies like Disney will need to adapt quickly in order to stay ahead of the curve. But here's the question. What's the best way forward for ABC? And how will the network's fate impact the broader entertainment industry?